Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to earn free money on Payeer only watching videos and clicking on websites. Let's start with registration. Link is in the description. Here in dashboard you have some videos, which you can watch and earn. How you can see minimum withdrawal amount is only 3 cents. Now let's watch some videos. After 20 seconds you must to complete CAPTCHA to get reward. Nice, we get reward. We can try another video. It's working very well. After some time you can claim free bonus from achievements. If you want to earn more money, you can add to your browser extension from surf.b. Thanks extension, you will get better offers to earn money. I have withdraw some money from this site. Let's show proof. How you can see I withdraw 3 cents. Let's check my Payeer account. I received 2 cents because surf.b is taking 1 cent fee from every withdrawal. In this project, you cannot earn thousands of dollars, but you can earn your few first online dollars. And this is all for this video. All links is in the description. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe.